Good afternoon to all. As we have conducted successfully our NTSO examination today, and we are here with our answer key. So, we are going to start with the class 6th. The first, we are going to solve the English section of the paper, class 6, and the question number from 41 to 50. As you can see over the screen, there is a question: identify the part of speech of the underlined word. Here, underlined word is spoke, and the correct answer of this question is verb. As you know, spoke is the past tense of the speak and shows the action performed by the subject. Now, we are moving to the next question. The next question is: choose the correct form of verb in the given sentence. And the sentence is: by the time we arrived, the play dash. It means in the blank you have to write down the correct option, and the correct option is had started, as the play had started before we arrived. So the past perfect tense is required. So the answer B is correct. Now we are moving to the next slide. In the next question, there is a incorrectly spelt word. Student have to find out definitely, separate, government and environment. Among four, which is the correct one? And the correct one is separate. As the spelling of the separate is incorrect here. The correct spelling of separate is separate. So option number B is correct. Now we are moving to the question number 44. In the question number 44, you can clearly see there is a change in the given sentence. You have to change the given sentence into the passive voice. And the sentence is: the children are singing a song. In this sentence, the children are singing a song. The answer of this question is: a song is being sung by the children. As you know, present continuous tense in the passive voice become is being sung. So this is the correct option of this question. Now we are moving to the next question. Question number 45. In this question number 45, the question is: select the option that is opposite in meaning to the underlined word. And the sentence that is: the river Ganges culminates in the Bay of Bengal. The question is: the river Ganges culminates in the Bay of Bengal, and the word culminates. And the correct answer for this, the meaning which is opposite, is originates. So option number C is correct. Like culminates means end, and originate means the starting one. The next question over the screen, question number 46, is: he has been absent dash last Monday. So you have to find out which preposition of time is correct for that one. As you are having a four option: since, for, from and at. Since is for the point of time, so we have to use since. And for we have to use for the period of time. So the correct answer is A. Next, the next question, question number 47. Here is question number 47. Choose the correct conjunction. And the sentence is: he worked hard dash he wanted to succeed. So the answers have you in the four option. The option number A is because, B is although, C is unless, and D is while. The correct answer of this question is because. So it shows the reason of the hard work, that is because is the correct one. Find the synonym for ancient. Question number 48. As you know, the synonym for the ancient, it means the similar meaning, and that is only old one is the correct one. Modern and new is this antonym for that, and old is the synonym for the ancient. Now we are moving to the next slide. This is question number 49. Find the antonym of the victory. We have 4 options for that. First is success, second is defeat, third is win, and D is achievement. As you can see clearly, the success, win, and achievement can be the synonym for the victory. So the correct answer for this is the defeat. Now we are moving to the last question. And in the last question, we have a question on the poetic device. The question is identify the poetic speech. And the sentence is, she chills by the seashore. So you can see that there is a repetition of the initial sound. So when there is a repetition of the any sound, is the option can be alliteration is the correct answer of the question number 50. So the next one, as with the next question, question number 51 to question number 60, there is a social science section, and now we are moving toward the next section, that is questions are based on the social science. So you can see over your screen question number 51, and the question is, what do you understand by the term international dateline, that is IDL? What would be the answer of this question? The answer of this question is the line exactly opposite the prime meridian at approximately 180-degree longitude, that is crossing the change in the calendar date. And that option number A is the correct answer of question number 51. Now we are moving to the second question. In the second question, the question is, which of the following natural features that doesn't show by a physical map? So the question is here that show by a physical map. So a physical map shows landform, rain, climate. So the correct answer is rainfall and climate. All are the features of the physical map. So we are moving to the next question. Question number 53. Here is question number 53. Which mountains separate Europe from Asia? The question is, which mountains separate Europe from Asia? And the right answer for this is Ural mountain, as Ural is the natural boundary between Europe and Asia. Now the next question, question number 54. Question number 54 is, what is a citadel? You have to find out among the 4 options, what is a citadel? Option A, a fort-like structure. Option B, a place of war. Option C, a social development. And option D, a restricted field. So the correct answer of this word or the meaning of this one is a fort-like structure is the correct answer for question number 54. Now we are moving to the next question. The next question is one word that describe the study of the coin is. The study of the coin is called numismatic. So manuscript, evidence, inscriptions are wrong. These 3 options are wrong, and option number A is the correct answer. Now we are moving to the question number 56. You have to find out in the question number 56, the Antarctica Circle is located in the, you have to find the correct answer among the 4 of these, that the Antarctica Circle is located, yes, the Antarctica Circle is located in the southern hemisphere. that is 66.5 degree in the south latitude. Yes. The next question in the same series, question number 56. How many Lok Sabha seats are in country? Lok Sabha seat in our country that is directly elected is option number A, 543 is the correct answer for this question. Next question, which of the following is an example of the local government? Student have to find out. Among the four, the Indian Parliament, State Legislative Assembly, Municipal Corporation, and Supreme Court is an perfect example of the local government. So the answer of this is the municipal corporation. The answer of this question number 58, is the answer that municipal corporation is a perfect example for the local government that deals with the problem of the localities. Now, moving to the next question number 59, the term Bharata is the first mentioned in. You have to find out among the four options that which option is correct where Bharat is mentioned in that. The option number A is Upanishad, second is Puran, option number C is Rig Veda, and option number D is the account by the Greek travels. So the correct option is Rig Veda. The correct answer of question number 59 is Rig Veda. And very ancient text that the word appear in firstly in that. Now move to the last question of this section of social science. The question is, which is an example of the tertiary activities? You have to find out among the four, which is an example of the tertiary activities. You are having again four options for this question. Option number A, road and bridges. Option number B is healthcare. Option number C is mining. And option number D is agriculture. Yes, my dear student, option number B is correct for the tertiary activity.